Guys, today we'll be making a no-bake graham cracker style type cookie 3 different ways. One is peanut butter cup type flavor, one is like a cheesecake, and then one is like a s'more. So what you'll be needing is a spoon, a fork, a tablespoon, a teaspoon, a tablespoon, a knife, powdered sugar, graham crackers, any salt. If you can't have salt, then no salt. Alternatives: cocoa powder, cream cheese, chocolate for making our coating, butter, peanut butter, jam, or of your choice. I'm using strawberry, and some marshmallows. And you're going to be needing 3 different kinds of bowl and possibly 3 different kinds of plates. Alright, let's begin. One, you are going to place 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. So we're making our peanut butter cup type 1. So we're going to be putting 2 tablespoons in. And if you guys can't have like nuts, you could probably find a alternative for the peanut butter that works the same way. So that's 1. I am using organic peanut butter. So mine is a little oily. Next, we are going to stick 3 tablespoons of confectionery sugar into our mixing bowl here. That's 1. 2. 3. Alright, so the next part, place a 1 tablespoon of your butter in here. So now you're just going to mix this guy up. Oh, I forgot, you need to add a pinch of salt or a salt alternative to your thing. You just break your butter up. And you'll have something that looks like this spread right here. So then you're going to pull out your graham crackers. And you're going to do this until you use all of your spreads. So you're just going to take it so you're just going to spread your cracker like this. Oops. Do that until all of your spread is gone, and then I'll show you what's next. Batch made about 11. My one that I experimented with made 10. So the next one we'll be making is our cheesecake one. Got this butter in the wrong spot there. Alright, so for our cheesecake one, you will be getting out 3 tablespoons of cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of any jam of your flavor. So, let's see. So that's one. I'm putting the cream cheese in. 2. Come on. This is for our, if I haven't said it already, this is for our cheesecake style cookie. So we have 3 of those in. And then you're going to put 2 tablespoons, or if you like less jam, then maybe 1 or 2. I think I'm going to go with 2 tablespoons. So your cream cheese will look like this. If you put 1 in, it'll look like this. If you put 2, it'll be more fruity. I decided to go less fruity this time. So now we're going to get our graham crackers out again, and you're just going to spread them like our peanut butter ones. Okay. My experimentation with adding the 2 tablespoons of jam, you'll get 10, but I only added the 1 tablespoon of jam, so I got 9. So you guys, you can place these in the freezer, and our last one is the marshmallow s'more flavored one. So I'm going to go stick these in the freezer, and I'll be right back. You're going to take just a couple of pinches, not a lot of butter, just a little. I might have too much. And then we're going to take a teaspoon of cocoa powder, but if you like more cocoa powder, you can put as much cocoa as you want. I figure this is a part of the s'more part because I couldn't find any chocolate, and plus the chocolate that's going on our cookies is going to take that place, so just put that in there. 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. And then you are going to stick 1, 2, 3, 4, and then possibly 2 more marshmallows. We are going to microwave this for 20 seconds, and I will be back in 20 seconds. So after that 20 seconds, you'll have something that looks like this, and then you're just going to quickly put this on your graham crackers like you did the peanut butter and the cream cheese, and I'll be right back. So there's some more ones that should look like this. Then you're going to pop these guys in the refrigerator to either 15 minutes or to an hour, depending on how long you want it to set up. It's just so that it sticks to the graham cracker. So when we stick it in the chocolate, it will stick to the graham cracker instead of coming off into the chocolate. That's the only reason why we're putting it into the freezer. So until it feels like it's like stuck to the graham cracker or hard. So yeah, stick it to 15 minutes or to an hour, depending on what you want to do. Okay, I'll be back in an hour or 15 minutes. You're going to stick your chocolate in a plastic bowl or whatever bowl you feel like. We're going to microwave this for 20 to 30 seconds. You choose, either 20 or 30. And it's maybe going to be about 3 times, and you're going to stir each time that it ends the 30-second cycle or 20-second cycle. Alright, chocolate should look like this. Now you're going to go get your cookies out of the freezer that have been sitting in there for an hour to 15 minutes, and we're going to dip them in here, and then we're going to stick them on our a cookie tray with some wax paper. So you're just going to dop it in like this, get it nice and coated, and then tap out the excess, all your extra off. You're going to place it on your cookie sheet, and then you dipped all of your cookies and stuff. You're going to be sticking these in the freezer or refrigerator until this all hardens up, and then you can eat them. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I'm just letting you know I do have a P.O. box. I put it in the description box below, and it also is on my YouTube homepage. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye!